Asflow Company Limited specializes in manufacturing technologically innovative parts materials in various areas, ranging from the pipe valve high-purity gasoline to the advanced semiconductor industry. Having grown with the history of the Korean semiconductor parts industry, Asflow successfully localized semiconductor processing parts, first in Korea, and leads the semiconductor parts market. Asflow has many patents and certificates of innovative and excellent products. By making more efforts to grow further and open new markets at home and abroad, the company will honestly and sincerely provide the best products for customers. The gas used for semiconductor manufacturing is sensitive enough to keep its 7-9 purity and is very corrosive. To transfer the gas, it is necessary to use the parts with high corrosion resistance and ultra purity. The high pure pipe parts for semiconductor processing gas transfer had fully been imported. Asflow first localized them for the first time in Korea. Since the company supplied the products over the last 10 years, it has achieved the import substitution worth 1 trillion KRW so far. The high pure tubes, pipes, valves, and filters manufactured by Asflow are key to the semiconductor manufacturing process to transfer tens of kinds of gas for semiconductor manufacturing to semiconductor equipment. With the electrolytic polishing technique to make high pure pipes, Asflow way of developing the products, the company developed high pure valves, pressure regulators, filters, and others. High pure tubes and pipes are the parts that are used to supply high purity gas to semiconductor equipment without any inflow of impurities. A narrow and long tube or pipe has a few millimeters to tens of millimeters in diameter and 4 meters or 6 meters in length. All of impurities, flaws, and fine scratches are removed from its inside. So, the high pure product is as pure and clean as a mirror. Fitting is the product which is used to connect high pure tubes or turn at right angles. Like a tube and a pipe, fitting is also the high pure product without impurities and flaws. A product used at high pressure is forged at 1000 Celsius and 100 kg per square centimeter or more in order to remove its inner flaws completely. Valves and pressure regulators are the control products that are used to supply a certain amount of high purity gas for semiconductor processing at a certain pressure. The advanced product is used to supply high purity gas at an even pressure. The high purity gas comes in at the high pressure of a few kilograms to hundreds of kilograms per 1 square centimeter. Filters and diffusers are used to prevent extremely fine nano-sized particles from coming in semiconductor and LCD equipment. As core parts, the products play a role to block impurities from semiconductor equipment completely and thereby to improve a semiconductor production yield. Based on the professional development of parts materials, Asflow supplies the parts and materials for semiconductor processing gas to domestic and foreign semiconductor makers. Thanks to the excellent performance and quality of the products, the company is recognized by the semiconductor makers. With the expansion of the fourth industrial innovation, the demands of memory semiconductors are on the sharp rise. In line with the trend, Asflow expands its global semiconductor equipment market. Surface processing technique is the unique and core technique of Asflow. Based on the technique, the company secured all techniques of the parts production for semiconductor processing, such as precision processing and special welding, and set up batch production process. The best technology of Asflow is recognized not only in Korea, but in foreign countries. Therefore, Asflow exports its products and grows to a global enterprise in the world. By developing technologies for the parts in various areas, ranging from semiconductor processing, hydrogen production, and bioengineering, Asflow establishes a bridgehead to expand its business to the future energy industry. Asflow that produces eco-friendly, higher value-added products with its motto of sincerity and honesty. Asflow, the world's best enterprise to make the world beautiful and convenient. Promises all better tomorrow for dreams, challenges, and love. The enterprise preparing for the coming future, Asflow Company Limited.